Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. There's a couple of pieces of koroite amongst it, reels and millimetres, and it's been wetted to help show the colours and patterns of the material. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. Just nice pattern koroite piece. Grind down on this face and you might end up with honeycomb type pattern. You can see it's starting to form here. Just a face with a bit of colour up the top there. These are offcuts off larger stones. That piece is just off the end. Another piece of koroite with a bit of colour in it. Pin fire. Quite a pretty piece. A lot of fire in it, unfortunately. Bar going through the middle there. Another larger piece of koroite, a bit of colour down the bottom here. Up here's not much. Lends itself to a nice stone. And there's a few more pieces of offcuts there for you. Nothing exciting. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.